Oh, hi. When did you guys get here? Hey, oh, hey. Oh, God. Look at that. OMG, you guys. Buckle up, because this show is going to be fast and furious. Mind blown. What happened? Oh. I'm leaving on a jet plane. All right, no one needs to hear me sing. Do-do-do-do-do, follow me. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. We're probably going to get kicked out. We may not be here for the show. Look at me. Look at me, like, trying to make things happen that probably shouldn't. Yes, that's always my way. When life gives you lemons, add some palm. That was an extreme close-up. Sorry. Surprise face. Surprise face. Okay. Anywho, tonight's show is bananas. All right, I love you guys. This was really fun. A little wonky. Sorry. Adore you. See you soon.